Jesus, you again!
Good day, ma. Ma, please, I'm sorry. I'm very, very sorry for what I did the last time. Please, ma, forgive me, ma. Please, ma, I'm sorry. Please, ma. Please, ma, I'm sorry.
Where are you yet, Jenny? Where are you yet? Are you here to cook Lisa Pong for me again?
Photo.
No, ma, it's not what you think, ma. Ma, I'm here to apologize about what happened the other time. I won't cook Lisa Pong for you again. Please, ma.
Really? Are you sure?
Yes, ma, it won't happen again. It won't happen.
You just go beside. Just go beside.
Thank you, ma. Thank you very much.
What will make you think I eat that?
Jesus.
Sorry, ma, I actually learned this cooking job in China.
So
When I was cooking for you, I totally forgot myself. I thought I was still in China. The food I cooked before I left China was
Are you?
and the last food I cooked before I left China was agama lizard and cockroach.
don't mention that again.
Ma, I'm not even done at all. I'm not even done. See, I cook it with all those big one. Hell, all together was very delicious.
You say eat big one.
Ma, you haven't tried. Just try it. You see what I'm talking about.
Shut up! Shut up! Keep quiet. Keep quiet. I'm not letting somebody to hear word.
I'm sorry, ma. I'm just trying to make things clear to you. In case you want to cook it for you, that's why I'm saying it.
Just go. Get out from my house.
Help me!
I'm sorry, ma.
Help me!
I'm sorry, ma. It's not happening.
If they carry me, they go. We are not
Sorry, it
know.
won't happen again. I really want to work with you. Please, ma. It won't happen again. Please, ma. Just really want to work with you, ma. Please, I'm sorry. Ma, please, I don't know where to go, ma. Ma, please, it won't happen again, ma. Please. Ma, please, now, ma. Please, ma. Ma, please. Ma, please. It won't happen again.
Nonsense! Want to come and cook cockroach in my house?
Ma, please, it won't happen again. Ma, please.
Just look at yourself.
Ma, please, ma. Please, ma. Please, ma. It won't happen again.
I never have anything to say to you. Just get out from my house. Please.
You want me to go to? You want me to go
I'm sorry. Just go back. Just go back.
Thank you very much, ma.
Just go
I
back.
really appreciate it.
Just go back.
Thank
I
you very
forgive
much.
you.
Thank you very much, ma. I really appreciate it. Thank you, ma. I really
I
appreciate it.
forgive you.
Thank you, ma. I really appreciate it.
I forgive you already.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
If you don't respect yourself, you see what I'll do to you next time. See yourself. I'm gone. Put you in jail. You see yourself. Sorry, I forgive you. You're just like my daughter.
How did you be that?
I just like my daughter. Thank you, ma. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe.